Take your time, do it right. You can do it, baby.
Money talk like Iron Giant, need a hanger for these racks. Fuck the beef, it's crunch time, turn them niggas to a pack.
Man, y'all, I recorded this on my other phone. I got two phones. I got an XR and I think it's a 13 Pro Max. I had edited this on my on the phone I normally be using, like, to call people and shit. Man, I was on my other phone that I used to record just a second ago. I thought I had lost this shit, bro. I was about to go balls to the wall, balls to the goddamn wall, bro. I was about to be so fucking disappointed. But anyway, let's get into this fade tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to do a little high fade on a kid. Okay, I'm just recording everything now, man. I don't care if it's a freaking snake. I'll cut a fucking snake head if you hold it still enough, So yeah, just start off combing the hair. Make sure you comb the hair out thoroughly, you know what I'm saying? Because the better you comb the hair, the better the fade will be. And that is not a joke. Like, the hair it's gonna cut easier. And not just cut easier, like, if you don't comb out the hair, it can leave like gaps and stuff when you try to cut it. Like little small gaps and stuff. If you're a beginner or if you're new to it, you might not notice it, but it's gonna make the hair kind of like the blend like inconsistent or whatever. So anyway, I just put the bald guideline in right there in like the middle of the head. Then I go ahead and shave off the rest of the hair. Yeah, man, nothing fancy about that. Just normal balding. I should probably really start using like a clipper first to bald the hair. I don't know. I really don't be caring that much. Cause if you use the clipper first, then you use a trimmer, it probably make the blade last longer. But I don't care. Anyways. Now I'm all the way open with my Babyliss clippers, and just putting in the first guideline. I'm going up about a half an inch on this kid's head, and yeah, half an inch, both sides. That's what you do. It's really easy, man. Once you start cutting hair, it's just gonna be like second nature. Gonna be like second nature, guys. Yep. All the way around the head, all the way open, about a half an inch. Boom, 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 boop, 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 boop. Yep. I might start trying to record a lot more, man, and get a lot more done. So cause why not? Why not? I've been blessed with this gift. I'm gonna teach y'all. How to do this shit. Just like Chris Bozzibo and all the other folks that do those. Get Bean. Yeah. Anyways, now I just took a little. I took a 1.5 guard. I've closed it. It's all the way closed, and I'm just going up, kind of basically to the top of the head. I'm just going straight up. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming off the head, kind of flicking a little bit, and then boom, just working that a little bit till it gets to. Make sure you want to kind of cut all of the hair to the same length of that guard, you know what I'm saying, that you're using before you move on to the next guard. You know what I'm saying? Cut it thoroughly down, you know what I'm saying, so that blend can come out a little bit better and better. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to stay forever. You know what I'm saying? We only got 30, 40 minutes to do a haircut, 45, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. But make sure you're doing a decent job. You know what I'm saying? Take your time. You want to take your time. Do it right. You can do it, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Anyways, now I'm with my one guard all the way open, going right below where I cut the 1.5 all the way closed. And the way I fade, y'all, it's called fading down. If you type in on YouTube, you'll see fading down. People that fade down, they're just doing what I'm doing. You go close with it. You go whatever guard you use. You just go a little bit lower below that guard, and you start all the way open, and you go halfway, and then you go close. Then you just do it again with the lower guard. Like you just see I did there. I was all the way open, right below the 1.5. Then I went halfway closed. Went a little bit below that, where I went all the way open with the 1. Then I went all the way closed with the 1, a little bit below where I went halfway closed with the 1. and I'm just fading. You want to go a little bit lower every time you close the guard. Now I'm about to put a zero guard on. Excuse me, shut. About to put a zero guard on, but I don't start all the way open with a zero guard. I start halfway with a zero guard, go a little bit under where I did the close one. Then I close it all the way up, and I go a little bit lower where I did the halfway zero. Okay, it's really simple, guys. You just go a little bit lower, close the guard. Simple. Now I'm gonna go all the way open, no guard, all the way open, and I'm just flicking out at that top little guideline that I had when I had all the way open for the first guideline. Now I'm gonna go halfway, close, go a little bit below that all the way open, no guard. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna close it all the way up. I'm trying to take out that bottom guideline as much as I can, as much as possible. And it's gonna be a little faint guideline there. I'm gonna take that back out later at the end of the cut with a trimmer at the bottom. If you can see that, it's still like a little faint in certain areas, a little faint line. But we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And then just to detail, I go all the way open with my blade, and I turn my clippers to the side like that, just hitting at any little dark spots. Then I'm gonna close it halfway and do the same thing. And when you all the way open on the side like that, you can go up a little higher in the fade and stuff like that. Just be careful. Hit at any little dark spots, any inconsistencies in the fade. Now I think I'm halfway now. I might be. But I'm gonna go halfway, and I'm gonna do the same technique, and then I'm gonna go close and do the same technique as well. But now I'm back at the bottom close, but I'm gonna do the same technique, close as well. See, boom. And yeah. Yep. That's it. Now, you might not be able to, you can kind of see it on camera, you might not be able to see it, but there is a little faint line. I'm gonna come back later. I'm just trying to flick it out as much as I can, all the way closed. And I'm gonna come back later with my trimmer, and I'm gonna take that all the way out, just tap the bottom line. But for right now, I'm still just detailing all the way closed with the edge of the trimmer. And don't be too caught up on detailing, y'all, and shit like that. Just try it out. You know what I'm saying? Open, halfway, close. Because the more you cut, the more you're gonna get used to it. You know what I'm saying? It's not something you can just get on ahead, watch a video, and just hop on and do. It's just gonna come over time, and it does come over time. It gets better and better, y'all. Trust me. I was basically cutting. I was in the shop decently cutting, making money, like good straight money within less than a year. Okay, so like the fade is gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Okay, the detailing and all that, the whole process. Just trust the process. Keep cutting heads. Somebody told me in my shop before, I was like, man, why my haircuts don't look at y'all? Because y'all ain't fucked up. He said, you ain't fucked up enough. Then I was like, damn, you right. I gotta keep fucking up to get good. So that's where my name came from, Fuck 'em Up Phil. Anyways, I do the same process on this side to the 1.5 all the way closed, and I went 1 right below the 1.5 all the way open. Then I went halfway closed, right under all the way open 1. And I went 1 all the way closed. And then I went with the zero guard halfway closed. Then I went all the way closed, and then I went all the way open. As you can see, I'm just doing the same steps. I split this side up because I already explained the process on the other side. But now I'm just detailing like I did on the other side, all the way open with the edge of my clipper blade, and then I'm gonna go halfway with the clipper blade, and I'm gonna go closed all the way at the bottom, as you can see I'm doing here now. And I also sometimes I go back and forth between different spots, and you'll be able to do that the longer you've been cutting. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I first started cutting, I used to see my shop owner just going back and forth, playing with the lever all the time, different spots of the head, different guards. I'm like, bro, how do you know where you're at? How do you remember? It's just like you just get trained to like know what guard's gonna kind of take off what, and you just kind of go with your gut, and you just hit the dark spots to try to make the fade a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, transition a little bit better. I do the same thing for the back. one all the way closed. I mean, 1.5 all the way closed. One all the way open right under that. Halfway closed with the one right under that. All the way closed with the one under that. Halfway closed with the 0 under that. All the way closed with the 0 under that. All the way open with the blade open right now, as you can see, under that. Then I went halfway right under that. Then I'll go all the way closed right here. I'm at the bottom right under that, under the halfway close with no guard. And so that's the fade, you guys. That's the fade. I'm detailing again, all the way open, half with the side of the guard. Gonna go halfway closed. I'm gonna go all the way closed. And then in the second here, I'm gonna check my trimmer because there is a faint line on the bottom around the whole fade. I'm just gonna take that out with my trimmer. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. You wanna stay at the bottom of the head, kind of a little bit below. You wanna stay below the line kind of and just flick up at it a little bit. And that should get that line out. And just keep working it, keep hitting it as much as it takes. Keep going, keep flicking at it until the line comes out. That's all I can tell you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. It's that simple. Yep. Flick, 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 flick. Flick, 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 flick. See what I'm saying? Flick, 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 flick. Sped all this up because that shit would take forever. I don't want to sit and watch a 40-minute haircut. Well, you might do, but on this channel, you're probably gonna get 10-minute haircut videos to 15-minute haircut videos. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut down the hairline. I comb the front of the line up first. Most people, then I throw a 1.5 on, stay right on the edge of the lineup so that the hair don't be like all bulky in the front on the edge of the line. It can be like a little smooth transition from the line to the hair. Boom, cut that down, comb it out, of course. Then I spray my holding spray. Then I come back with a blow dryer and dry it up. Then I proceed with the lineup. Okay, I proceed with the lineup. I make sure the hair is laying flat by combing it back down again. And then I come with my trimmer and start from the middle and go to either side, whichever side you prefer. And I kind of I don't push his line up back, even though he doesn't have like a lot of hair on his sides right there. You understand? Just go with where the hair would naturally already be. You know what I'm saying? If he had hair there. Don't push it back. Don't make him a V. Just go straight across. Just go straight across. Just like that. And I'm going to do the other side just like that. Same thing. Start from the middle. Then I'm going off to his left side, which on camera is the right side. Obviously. Now I'm doing the right side, which is his left side, as you can see. And boom. There's the lineup. It's that simple. Now what I like to do when I put my enhancements on, I like to put my pencil on first. Try to go as light as possible. Try not to get it on the hair. You know what I'm saying? Do it nice and neat. Try not to do it so sloppy. And yeah, boom. And then I come back with my spray. Boom, boom, boom. Spray that on. Nice and neat. Nice and clean. Try to cover up them light spots. Blend it in with the normal hair. Make it about the same color. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Then I come back with the trusty dusty fiber Topic. I use the Topic hair fiber and I use the Tresemme hairspray holding spray. Okay, whatever level you want to use. I use like 4 or 5. But I'm put that on, make it a little bit darker, make it a little bit more match the regular hair and all that. Then I come back with my liners and I edge it up again, blend in that pencil with the skin and the cut, make that contrast pop and lock. And yeah, boom, boom. And then after this, you know what I'm saying, you're pretty much done with the cut. You could walk out like that, but you know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, before I get done with my enhancements, after I'm done with the fiber and I use the pencil again, I blend it in with the trimmer. I spray my Tresemme back over it so it can just hold them the hairspray and the hair fibers, you know what I'm saying, lock it in. Then I just put some mousse. Any mousse can do. I just go to Walmart, get some mousse, and I put it in my hand, rub it in, and then I rub it on the hair. And then I use a sponge and sponge the fuck out of his head. God damn. Gonna get that boy a concussion. Then I come back with some spray. That was what you call it? Olive oil spray, if y'all was wondering. Just give it a little shine, and it's the end of the cut. You know what I'm saying? That's the finished product. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Daily content is on the way.
Black and white diamonds, man, my wrist should be on black. All my bracelets and watches on my arms.